Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I have a new product that I want to review with you guys, and I also have a giveaway, so please wait until the end so you get all the information. So let's get right into it. I'm actually very excited to review this product. So today's product review are magnetic lashes by BelleChloe, and it says hello lash lover. So this is the box it comes in. The box is pretty heavy, so let's see how it looks. So this is a first impression video, so I haven't opened this up or anything. So it comes with a box like this that has the lashes in it. It comes with these little pair of lash tweezers so you can apply them, and also some information on how to apply the lashes and what to do. So when I open it up, that's what it looks like, and it comes with a mirror. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. So that's what the lashes look like. This is metal so that the magnet can kind of stick to it and it doesn't move at all, so you don't have to worry about losing them. But it is a bit on the heavy side, but I'm assuming if you're going to use magnetic lashes, you might only need that one pair, and you don't need glue, which is such an amazing thing, because one of the hardest things about regular lashes is the glue and making sure that you get it right. So hopefully this will help with that. So from what I see, darker spots right there, those are the magnets. These 3 magnets attached to those right there. So yeah, that's what that looks like. So your lash, of course, is going to be clamped in between those 2 lashes. So this is going to be my first magnetic lashes that I've ever tried, and I have been wanting to try one so badly for a while now. Since BelleChloe was nice enough to send this to me, it made it so much easier. Now I can try it out for you guys. So I say let's go ahead and apply it. I'm so glad that I don't have to use glue. I've never applied magnetic lashes before, so this is going to be very interesting. So I'm going to move in a little bit closer so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Also, I did curl my lashes because my lashes are usually straight, so I needed something for it to sit on and not kind of slide off. According to this on how to apply, you take the tweezer, so this is metal. So what you do is you attach the lashes to the tweezer first. I don't know if you guys can see that. So you basically attach the lash to the tweezer so it'll like stick onto the tweezer, and then you just clamp it onto your lashes. So we're going to try to do that according to the way that they have shown. So I have to take my tweezer and take my lash, and I basically insert it like this. See how this is like the curve is like this, so I want to make sure my lash curve is going the same way, if that makes sense. So that means I have to insert it in here, and then it'll just hold on to the top. So let me do that first because it's harder to show that on camera. So can you guys see how that looks? So basically the magnet is holding onto the metal part and the lash is in. So when I attach it, I'll be attaching it like that. Now I just have to put the bottom pieces in as well. I got the top and the bottom too. I couldn't get the middle part in because it has to go in here. But since the bottom is right on this end and the other end is on here over there, because they're both ends, it's easier to put them on. Because as soon as I move them a little bit, it snaps to the top magnet. So I wish that area was this one strip. That would have been a little bit easier to work with. So I just have to put my lashes in between and they should clamp together, and then I'll just go ahead and add the middle piece. So let's do this. Let me get in between my lashes and clamp. Oh no! Alright, so I lost one, but I did clamp the end piece. The other piece fell off. But let's go ahead and try to add the middle piece that I have left over here. Alright, the middle piece went on nicely. Let me go find the other piece. Alright, found it. So this is as real as it gets. Now I'm going to take this piece and attach it to this end right here. So basically the only piece that attached was the bottom piece. I mean the bottom right. Okay. Did I get that right? Now I just move them closer to my lash band by just like pushing them in just a little bit. So that's what that looks like. It looks really, really nice. Nice and dramatic, which I like. I think the best thing that worked was putting in the top piece on here and just the bottom one and clamping that so that at least I have two of them together. And then I just attach the middle and the inner end. So that worked out for me. Now let's try to go ahead and do the left side. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Attached it on the top. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the bottom, the end I guess, because the end is easier to attach. So I attach the top and the end, if you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and clamp that, and then I'm gonna attach the rest of them. Ooh, I felt it clamp. Okay, so it's clamped on there, and I'm just gonna go ahead and attach the other two. So let's attach the middle. We'll attach the middle, and let's attach the inner. This is sticking out just a little bit. Okay. Just pushing them in. Ooh, it looks nice, guys. I like these lashes. They're pretty dramatic. I just want to see if they look like they're being separated. No, it looks good. They look nice. I like the idea of magnetic lashes, especially because it's my first time trying it out. I will say that I wish the bottom pieces, instead of having 3 different pieces, I wish it was one whole piece. I don't know if that would make it easier, but putting it on this, it makes it easier, because when I put the top strip in, it's good. But then I have to add 3 little pieces to the bottom, so sometimes they go ahead and clamp, especially being magnet, you know, they just want to clamp together. So that was one of the issues that I had with that. And then I've noticed when you try to put the bottom piece in, it kind of, you have to go right in there and put it in so it doesn't like move it up a little bit. I do feel like if you can figure out what works for you with practice, this will be so much easier than putting glue on lashes and putting them on. I've seen other videos of people putting magnetic lashes on, and they were like boop, 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 and it was good. They were good. So maybe it's just me. I'm not as good as putting on magnetic lashes as I am with the regular lashes, but it's nice to not have to worry about the glue or feeling like it's going to come off, because if I tug on it, it is secure. It doesn't feel heavy on my eyes whatsoever. I don't feel like I have lashes in. I'm so grateful to BelleChloe for sending this to me, and this video is not sponsored, but yeah, so this is my first impression. This is how I feel about it. I wish it was a little bit easier, you know, the whole concept of magnetic lashes, but you know, when you do work with magnets, they do want to clamp together, so it does get a little difficult. But once you can practice and get it right, you'll figure out the right technique that works for you. So that's my conclusion on these lashes. I just need to practice a lot more, but they were definitely interesting to try out and see if I can work. But I will tell you, I have seen other videos where people just plop it on, and I'm like, wow, they're so good. But I just need to practice. So if you guys are interested in this and would like to try one of your own, I do have a 10% discount code. Just type in Sanu10 and you will get 10% off on your purchase. So if you waited to the end, you do know that I do have a giveaway. BelleChloe will be sending 2 of my subscribers magnetic lashes. All you have to do is like this video. You have to be a subscriber of my channel, and also follow me on Instagram, and also follow BelleChloe's channel on YouTube, which is Wake Up and Makeup. And last but not least, leave a comment letting me know what you would improve on these lashes based on what you've seen in my video, and I will leave all the instructions in my description. And I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!